Very well. How do the different logic nodes work within ChatGPT's Action Builder? Basically, we have 3 logic nodes: if, else, while, and user approval. Okay, they're basic, but this tool might appeal to non-programmers too, despite being for developers. So an if or else is essentially a setup where you have an input, right? Let's say you receive a number, okay, and you say, okay, if this number, right, here's where you set the condition. You say, if this number exceeds 25, that's the if, okay? Then we'll do this like search for a file, okay? But if it doesn't exceed 25, that's the else, got it? So we move on to the while range, okay? To check what happened, whatever, alright? That's what it does. Basically, it's a logic tool to make decisions based on different scenarios, okay? This is very interesting and crucial for creating more complex workspaces, right? Then on the other hand, we have the while, okay? Which basically allows us to do repetitions. Why do we want to do repetition? Let's say we have an Excel table, we read a row, extract data, write an email, and send it, okay? Clearly, if we have 1,000 rows, we'll need to use a while loop, right? Because for each row, we'll have to repeat the process. So we say, hey, while there are rows, repeat, okay? Repeat the workspace that's inside the while loop, alright? Then we have user approval, which is newer and more typical of GPT. It says, pause for human approval or denial. Alright, we're talking about AI automation. ChatGPT thought adding a step for user approval before the tool decides is a good idea. And frankly, it is. Why not? That's basically it. I understand that when you run the workspace and reach this node, you'll need to approve or deny what's happened. If denied, the process repeats, hey, this was denied because of XE, right? And that's all.